We found lots of enduring Nessie hunters battling the weather yesterday. It was quite a dreek day in Scotland. The rain didn't seem to let up, but in terms of the study, I think the most exciting discoveries yesterday were these underwater noises that we've detected using the hydrophone off the side of the boat.
They're using sonar technology as well as hydrophones in order to monitor the sounds as well as the shapes at the bottom of the loch.
Hopefully we'll get to the bottom of what's causing them, because something's got to be causing them.
I think it's just a large mammal or a large amphibian, some sort of like manatee situation or a big eel.
I believe, and I keep coming back to find something. We've talked to a lot of townspeople. I've heard a lot of different theories. I have my own theory. It's a bit out there, so I won't say it.
I'm in between, so I believe of the legends, but in the same time not really.
So the thermal drones and the infrared, we couldn't put them up on the Saturday evening due to the bad weather. Today we went back over that area with the hydrophone on deep scan. We went back to the same area, we lowered the hydrophone again, and we did not hear those sounds. So I'll leave that up to you guys. We still don't know what that was. We will hopefully in the future get to the bottom of that. It may well be gas escaping from the bottom of the loch, it could be an animal, or of course it could be the elusive Loch Ness Monster.